And welcome to my kitchen. So today's video, I'm gonna take you through what I eat every day, and you're just gonna kind of make the meals with me and follow along. I actually refrained from making this video because I personally do not think I make awesome, super cool Top Chef recipes. I do really simple, basic, budget-friendly, and fast meals. How this is gonna get broken down is I'm actually gonna show you guys breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? But I'm gonna do 2 meals. So I'm gonna do my favorite and then my boyfriend's favorite. In case you're on the less healthier side and you wanna start to progress into being healthier, you should try my boyfriend's favorite meals first. So I usually do around just like 4 scoops. I feel like that's enough to get my day going. I actually usually only choose one and decide to put it in, but for the fun of this video, let's do a few. And then these like add such a good crunch. Nothing special at all. It's so fast and it's so easy. So I know it doesn't look all that good, but trust me, this is my favorite brand. This yogurt, just adding anything to it, tastes so good. And I always buy the big version. I think the small ones are a little overpriced, but I'm going to do 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of whatever milk. Nice, we love a good bubble. That was really strange. Scoop of protein in there. And then I usually just do like a tablespoon of chia seeds. Super good for you. It creates like a really cool texture too to get like jelly. Some honey. This is obviously based on, you know, like how sweet you want it, and kind of like it sweet, so I usually just do I would say it's like 2 tablespoons. Then all you do is just mix it. So it should look a little bit watery just because it is going to get, when it sits overnight, the oats are going to soak up all the liquid. Get some blueberries. And I just grab something to cover it, this, and pop it in the fridge, and then tomorrow it'll be ready. Other things that I also make in the morning that I'm just not going to show you are I eat eggs in the morning. And I drink coffee. Do I always eat breakfast? Definitely not. But I would say that I eat a full breakfast maybe 3 times a week. Now it's lunchtime. I do eat lunch every single day. I'm gonna show you my 2 favorite recipes, mine first, and then I'll do my boyfriend's. This looks like no ingredients, but I promise you it's amazing. So I start off with sourdough bread. I highly recommend the round. I tried it recently with the loaf and it's just not as good. Any type of sprouts. I think these are organic broccoli. And any type of salad dressing, you can toast your bread. Super easy. We just take our toast, and this is where we assemble. I feel so dumb like showing you guys what I do. I just feel like this is so easy. All I do is I just crush the avocado. I'm just gonna use garlic salt to season it. Trust me, I know you guys are not idiots. Like, I feel like I'm talking to you guys like you guys are. Like, now you just have to assemble it. But yeah, so I put some onion on there, grab some tomato. The key are the sprouts. Take a big glob of sprouts. You can also add protein to it, like a veggie burger. I add an egg sometimes. I'm just gonna add some to there. I know it's nothing special, but it's literally so good. You have to try it. Alright, so far I just did a little bit of olive oil and then put the veggie burger down. I'm going to do the same here, and I just like to warm the tortilla up and like get it so it gets super crunchy. It makes the wrap so much better. Now that the tortilla is crunchy, it's warmed up, it is like, it still can fold, but it's definitely still, it's like stiffer. So I like a lot of hummus by Patty. Cut it up a little bit, so into whatever shape makes sense. I feel like that kind of makes sense. Just add your onion. Look how bad these cuts are. Like, it could still be messy, and trust me, it'll still taste really good. Add the tomatoes, my sprouts, and then I also just add greens for more crunch. Season it, fold that bad boy up. You can also do it with, you know, 2 tortillas on top and make like a quesadilla, but I just do that. So right now I'm eating my portion of lunch, and I also wanted to show you guys what I will eat with the sandwich, like snack-wise. So any type of lentil chip, super good. I haven't really came across a bad lentil chip, but I like Simple Life or Good Life or something like that too. Chickpeas, also so good. I know this stuff just like looks awful, but trust me, give it a try. All right guys, we're back. It is around 6 o'clock right now, so it's dinner time, and I don't have fancy YouTuber lights, so we're just gonna deal with my indoor lighting. Real quick, I wanted to show you, so I'm in a rental house right now, but this is pretty cool that they have this feature. Here's my trash can. Up here, there's actually a cutting board with a hole so you can chop everything, and then once you're ready to dispose of it, it goes into the trash can, so you can just like push it in. Okay, so the onions are clear now. I'm gonna put my garlic in. Throw all the spices. We're gonna add our tomatoes. What I love about stir fry is I basically just grabbed random ingredients that I found in my fridge. So every day my stir fry changes. We love garlic here. And then I'm just gonna put some liquid aminos in. I kind of just eyeball this, honestly. Mix that up. So I wasn't planning on showing meal prepping, but I feel like not everyone knows this. Just in case you haven't learned this is like a really easy trick to dice an onion. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut into it, but not all the way down, right? So you're kind of just gonna make like a little, almost like a tic-tac-toe mark. Then you're gonna do it again this way. Once you cut everything, it should kind of look like these squares. And then here's the magic. You're gonna hold it still, and we put down. You're gonna get a bunch of little cubes now. Chicken has been marinated, and what I'm gonna do next is air fry it. This is not an ad, but I use this appliance every single day. It doesn't matter what kind of air fryer. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Just like this drawer. Take my chicken, coat the bottom to make sure that they're not overlapping each other. There's little icons of what there is. So I'm gonna press the chicken one and then press start. And it's doing its thing. It's that easy. All right, so these are the veggies all chopped up. I just roughly chopped them, but now we're gonna just throw them into a frying pan. I also wanted to note that if you don't want to use liquid aminos and sesame oil, there's other options too. I know at the store they have these little like kits, which are really easy. You can buy pre-made cut vegetables in the produce aisle, and they usually have a specific stir-fry kit. And I'm sure if you just get one of these sauces, you just toss in, exact same thing, it's way faster. Like obviously this sauce has way more sodium in it. I think the point is to try to eat healthier. I'd rather you eat, you know, a little more sodium with vegetables and protein versus like going to go get fast food. So it's all about like, you know, just taking little steps. There's nothing wrong with getting these every now and then as long as you're not eating every day. If you're really, really lazy on the go, these packs. I know it's ready when I have these little like brown crunchy looking things everywhere, like that. And so this is the stir fry with the chicken, pretty much made with just random ingredients in my fridge. So normally we would only make one of these meals, but because I wanted to get two in, I made two of them. But thank you for following me around today and watching me cook what I normally cook every day. Again, I definitely do not consider myself a chef, so if you don't think you're a chef, I would love for you to try these because it's super easy to make, budget friendly, and healthy too. Yeah. See you guys later.